Bad breath. It's something that almost everyone has experienced at some point in their lives. Whether it's after a meal filled with garlic and onions or first thing in the morning, bad breath can strike when we least expect it. It's a common issue, but one that can have a surprisingly big impact on our lives. It happens to almost everyone at some point. But why does it matter so much? Well, bad breath, or halitosis, can have a significant impact on our daily interactions and overall confidence. It can affect how we communicate and how others perceive us. While it's usually temporary and easily fixed, it can be embarrassing and affect our confidence. Imagine standing in front of a mirror, checking your breath before an important meeting or a date. That moment of doubt can be unsettling. You might find yourself second-guessing your every word and action. Imagine this: you're about to give an important presentation, or you're leaning in for a first date. These are moments where you want to make a great impression, and the last thing you need is to worry about bad breath. The anxiety it causes can be a real distraction. Suddenly, you become self-conscious about your breath. This self-consciousness can make you hesitant to speak, laugh, or even get close to others. It can create a barrier between you and the people around you. You might start to avoid social interactions altogether. Bad breath can put a damper on social situations and make us feel uncomfortable. It can lead to awkward moments and even cause us to withdraw from social interactions. No one wants to be the person who others avoid because of bad breath. It can make us feel isolated and alone. The good news is that understanding the causes of bad breath and practicing good oral hygiene can help us feel fresh and confident in any situation. Regular brushing, flossing, and using mouthwash can go a long way in preventing bad breath. Staying hydrated and avoiding foods that cause bad breath can also help. So take charge of your oral health and say goodbye to bad breath for good. With a little effort, you can ensure that bad breath never holds you back again. Most of the time, bad breath comes from bacteria in our mouths. These tiny organisms thrive on food particles left behind after eating. As they break down the food, they release smelly sulfur compounds, causing the unpleasant odor we know as bad breath. Certain foods, like garlic and onions, can also contribute to bad breath, as their compounds are released into our bloodstream and exhaled through our lungs. Other factors include dry mouth, smoking, certain medical conditions, and poor oral hygiene. The first line of defense against bad breath is a solid oral hygiene routine. Brushing twice a day for 2 minutes using fluoride toothpaste is crucial to remove food particles and bacteria. Don't forget to brush your tongue. It harbors bacteria that can cause bad breath. Flossing once a day is also essential to clean between teeth where your toothbrush can't reach. These simple habits go a long way in keeping your breath fresh. Sometimes we need a little extra help to combat bad breath. There are several effective home remedies that can freshen breath naturally. Rinsing with salt water can help neutralize odors and reduce bacteria. Chewing on sugar-free gum stimulates saliva production, which helps wash away food particles. Certain herbs like parsley and mint have natural breath-freshening properties. Including these in your diet or chewing on fresh leaves can help mask odor. While most cases of bad breath are temporary, persistent bad breath can sometimes signal an underlying medical condition. If you have chronic bad breath that doesn't improve with home remedies and good oral hygiene, it's important to see your dentist or doctor. They can determine if there's a more serious issue such as gum disease, tooth decay, or a systemic condition that needs to be addressed. Beyond mints and mouthwash, the importance of hydration cannot be overstated. We often reach for mints and mouthwash to mask bad breath, but staying hydrated is just as important. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps keep your mouth moist, washing away food particles and bacteria. Dry mouth, which can occur due to dehydration or certain medications, creates a breeding ground for bacteria that cause bad breath. Sipping on water regularly can help prevent dry mouth and keep your breath fresh. The power of prevention is significant when it comes to diet and lifestyle choices for fresh breath. What we eat and drink can significantly impact our breath. Sugary foods and drinks feed the bacteria in our mouths, leading to bad breath. Limiting sugary treats and beverages can help reduce bacteria growth. On the other hand, crunchy fruits and vegetables like apples and carrots can help clean teeth and stimulate saliva production. Confidence in every breath is possible with the benefits of good oral hygiene. A bright smile and fresh breath can significantly boost your self-esteem and make social interactions more enjoyable. When you know your mouth is clean, you can speak and laugh freely without worrying about bad breath or stained teeth. This confidence can positively impact both your personal and professional life, making you feel more at ease in various situations. Whether you're at a job interview, on a date, or simply hanging out with friends, knowing that your oral hygiene is in check can give you that extra boost of confidence. Maintaining good oral hygiene is not just about fresh breath. It's crucial for our overall health. Regular brushing, flossing, and dental checkups help prevent the buildup of plaque and tartar, which can lead to cavities and gum disease. Teaching children the importance of oral hygiene from a young age sets them up for a lifetime of healthy habits. Families who brush and floss together can create a supportive environment that encourages everyone to take care of their teeth and gums. This shared activity can also be a bonding experience, making it a fun and educational part of the daily routine. By taking care of our teeth and gums, we reduce the risk of cavities, gum disease, and other oral health problems. Regular visits to the dentist allow for early detection and treatment of potential issues, preventing them from becoming more serious. Healthy gums are less likely to bleed or become inflamed, reducing the risk of infections that can affect other parts of the body. Dental x-rays can reveal hidden problems, ensuring that your oral health is thoroughly monitored and maintained. Additionally, professional cleanings can remove stubborn plaque and tartar that regular brushing and flossing might miss. Good oral hygiene is also linked to better overall health, including a reduced risk of heart disease and stroke. Studies have shown that the bacteria from gum disease can enter the bloodstream and contribute to the formation of arterial plaque, which can lead to cardiovascular problems. By maintaining a clean and healthy mouth, you are also taking steps to protect your heart and overall well-being. Regular exercise and a balanced diet combined with good oral hygiene can further enhance your health. It's a holistic approach that benefits not just your mouth but your entire body. By making simple changes to our daily routine, we can enjoy the benefits of a healthy smile and fresh breath. Incorporating habits like brushing twice a day, flossing regularly, and using mouthwash can make a significant difference. It's also important to replace your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months and to choose dental products that are recommended by professionals. A healthy smile not only looks good but also feels good, contributing to your overall sense of well-being and happiness. Remember, a little effort each day can lead to a lifetime of healthy teeth and gums. Take charge of your breath with these final words. Your breath is more than just a part of your daily routine. It's a reflection of your overall health and well-being. By paying attention to it, you can make a significant impact on how you feel and how others perceive you. It's a small change that can lead to big improvements in your life, both personally and professionally. Bad breath is a common problem that can be easily managed with proper oral hygiene and healthy habits. It often stems from bacteria in the mouth, which can be controlled through regular brushing and flossing. Using a good mouthwash can also help to kill bacteria and leave your mouth feeling fresh. Additionally, staying hydrated is crucial because a dry mouth can exacerbate bad breath. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps to wash away food particles and bacteria, keeping your mouth moist and clean. By understanding the causes of bad breath and incorporating simple tips into our daily routine, we can feel confident and fresh in any situation. For instance, eating a balanced diet and avoiding foods that are known to cause bad breath like garlic and onions can make a big difference. Chewing sugar-free gum can also stimulate saliva production, which naturally cleanses the mouth. Additionally, incorporating fresh fruits and vegetables into your diet can help to keep your breath fresh and your body healthy. Remember to brush and floss regularly, stay hydrated, and use dental products that are designed to combat bad breath. It's also important to clean your tongue, as bacteria can accumulate there and contribute to bad breath. A tongue scraper or even your toothbrush can be effective for this purpose. Don't forget to replace your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months or sooner if the bristles are frayed, to ensure it's working effectively. And see your dentist for regular checkups. Your dentist can provide professional cleanings and identify any underlying issues that might be causing bad breath. They can also offer personalized advice and recommend products that are best suited for your needs. Regular dental visits are essential for maintaining good oral health and catching potential problems early. With a little effort, you can take charge of your breath and face the world with a confident smile. Good oral hygiene is not just about preventing bad breath, it's about maintaining overall health. A healthy mouth can boost your confidence, improve your social interactions, and enhance your quality of life. So, take these tips to heart and make them a part of your daily routine. You'll be amazed at the difference it can make. Remember, a confident smile can open doors and create opportunities, making every day a little brighter. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable advice on maintaining your oral health. What are your thoughts on these tips? Do you have any personal experiences or additional advice to share? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.